Resolution can be a little complicated, but I'll try to explain it as simply as possible. I'd recommend that you don't follow along for this one and just watch. So, essentially, resolution is referring to the amount of pixels in your file. It will always size with your dimensions. So if I take this 8.5 by 11 file and set the resolution to 1, press OK, you'll see that we end up with a very, very small file. And if I just zoom in here, you can actually see the pixels here. And if we count them, you'll see that it's 11 pixels high and it's actually 9 pixels wide. And the reason it's 9 pixels wide because we can't have half a pixel. Otherwise, it would be 8.5 pixels wide. But it's rounding up, so there's going to be 9 pixels. If we change the resolution again and make it 2, you will see that our file has actually doubled in size. And we can actually keep doing this if we do it for 4 example. That'll actually quadruple our size. And we can just keep doing that and keep doing that. So what's the best resolution to have then? Well, most people stick to 300, and this is actually a great size to work for anything. The reason why is because not only does it give you plenty of pixels to work with, but most consider it a minimum to have when printing. Now, if you're printing something very large, then the resolution should be higher. The general rule of thumb with resolution is that the higher it is, the better the quality. However, your file size gets bigger, which slows things down. Now, this doesn't mean you should just crank up the resolution to like 1,000,000. There is a limit to how high res something can be. If you can't see any pixels, then you should be fine. But if you can, then you should have a higher resolution. I could go a lot deeper into this, but I think I'm going to stop there for now, and we're just going to leave the resolution at 300.